The importance of healthy eating. Eating healthy is essential for living a happy and active life. Our bodies need the right nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and proteins, to function properly. When we eat well, we feel more energetic, focused, and ready to take on challenges. Imagine your body as a car. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run, our bodies need the right foods to stay strong and healthy. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are like premium fuel. They give us the energy and strength to play, work, and learn. On the other hand, eating too many sugary or fried foods can make us feel tired and can cause health problems in the long run. Eating a balanced diet also helps our brains. Studies show that foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish, and antioxidants, like berries, can improve memory and concentration. When we eat well, we not only take care of our bodies but also our minds, which is important for studying and being productive. It's also important to stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day keeps our bodies cool and our minds alert. Sometimes, people mistake thirst for hunger, so staying hydrated can also help manage our appetite. Of course, everyone enjoys a sweet treat or a snack now and then, and that's okay. The key is to enjoy these in moderation. Balance is what matters most. It's about making sure most of our meals are filled with nutritious ingredients that benefit our bodies. In conclusion, healthy eating is all about balance. When we fuel our bodies with the right foods and stay hydrated, we feel better, think clearer, and have the energy to enjoy life. Let's make smart food choices and treat our bodies with care so that we can live our best lives.